Hey guys, to remove the back third LED on Camry 2017, what do you need to do? I'll suggest first you guys check the fuse. If that is blown, replace that one. Otherwise you have to change the whole assembly because it has LED, the actual bulb. So for that, what do you have to do? Just move the whole piece to the right side, push it back a little bit and lift it up, and that's how you can get to the plug where the whole assembly is connected. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just flip it to the side so I can get to the plug here. It's a small female male connector, so what you could do, either you can use the plier to take it out, or you can use the nail just like I did. It's kind of pain in the butt, or seems like it's giving me trouble. Trouble in my camera also. So that's how you could just take this plug out and replace the whole assembly. And I just rotate it. There you go. It's out, and you can just change the whole piece from here. Just take it out, the whole assembly, and replace it. Thanks.